Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Rahul. In today's video, we are going to walk through an interesting algorithm that helps you find the maximum profit you can make by buying and selling stocks, where you are allowed to buy and sell multiple times. This is a classic problem that comes up in coding interviews and competitive programming. First of all, let's first understand the problem clearly. You are given an array where each element represents the price of a stock on a particular day. Your task is to maximize the profit you can make by buying and selling the stock on different days. The catch is that you can buy and sell the stock multiple times, but you can't hold multiple stocks on the same day. And you can only sell a stock after you have bought it. If you see this example, you will get to know. So here the goal is to figure out how much profit you can make by buying and selling at the right times. Now I will show you how we can solve this problem efficiently. So in this problem the key observation is that we should buy stock when the price is lower than the price on the next day and sell it when the price is higher the next day. This way we are maximizing the profit between consecutive days. Let's break it down step by step. So, for each consecutive day, if the price of the stock on the next day is higher, we simply add the difference between the two prices to our total profit. This ensures we are always capturing the profit from an upward trend in the stock price. Now, let's jump into the code. Here is a simple Java solution to this problem. So, let's start. First of all, I will import one package which is streams because I am not using the ordinary for loop method will use the streams int stream. So here we have our method and our function stock by cell with one input array. So we just need to write one simple code. So let's return int stream dot range on to array dot length. So here this generates a stream which a stream of integers starting from 1 to array dot length minus 1. So we are starting from index 1 because we want to compare each day's stock price with the previous day price. Now we have to add the filter uh, to filtering out the days where the price of the stock decreases or stays the same. Filter array of I greater than array of I minus 1. So this ensures that we only consider days where we can make a profit by buying the stocks the previous day and selling it on the current day. Once we have the valid indices from the filter step, we calculate the profit for each transaction by subtracting the previous day price from the current day's price. For that, we will use the map array of I minus array of I minus 1. So this gives us the profit for the that transaction. So for finally, we will sum up all the profits calculated in the previous step, which gives us the maximum profit that we can achieve by buying and selling stock multiple times. For that, we'll use sum. So this approach is efficient and concise, leveraging Java's functional programming capabilities. Let's test this now. Oh, sorry. Here it's 865. So I will explain what happened here. So here I will mention how the algorithm work. So at day one we have 100 and we will sell at a day 2. So our profit is 80 here. Then we buy at day 2 and sell at day 3. So profit 80. Then we buy at day 3 we have 260 and sell at day 4 3 ton. Profit 50. Then we buy at day 5 and sell at day 6. Profit 495. Then same we will do here and we will get profit of 160. So the total profit we make is the summation of all the uh, difference we get, that is 865. So as you can see, this approach, it ensures that we make the most profit possible by buying and selling at the right times. Let's submit it. Yeah, it's working. So that's it for today's video. We have covered how to solve the maximum profit problem using multiple transactions, and I hope this approach helps you in your coding journey. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more coding tutorials and interview preparation tips. Also, drop a comment if you have any question or suggestion for future videos. Thanks for watching and see you next video.